One of the signature characteristic of a bearish market is intraday volatility. If you're in a bullish market, you will typically see that the market will keep on crawling up slowly. But intraday volatility is the key characteristic of bearish market. As you can see here, like there was buying, then selling came in, then now again selling came in. So this is what really makes it difficult to trade bearish market, and especially for newer traders who do not have a context and who don't understand, they just keep buying breakouts like crazy in a market like this. And you have to be timing. If you time short here, they worked. If you time short here, they worked. If you time short here, they worked. If you timed your long, it worked. During this time period, longs worked. But like yesterday wasn't really convincing day, as we saw. Now you see like selling, then some buying, selling. So that is what creates high volatility. And because stocks move together in bearish market, even if you're sitting in a good breakout, it might hit your stop and then it might go up. So inherent high volatility is your big issue in a bearish market. And that's